Poor paper quality or incorrectly loaded paper can cause the printer to not pick or feed paper. Slide the input tray out of the printer. Open the tray extension cover and remove all paper and possible obstructions from the input tray, including torn pieces of paper and foreign objects. With the assistance of a flashlight, check inside the input tray area for any further obstructions. Examine the paper removed from the input tray and remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type. Fan the stack of paper to prevent sheets from sticking together and then align the corners to create a uniform stack. Load the paper into the input tray until the stack touches the back of the tray. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Slide the paper width and length guides inward until they touch the edge of the paper. Close the tray extension cover and then slide the input tray into the printer. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm the size and type of paper, or touch Modify to adjust the settings to match the paper loaded. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the paper feed roller can cause paper feed issues. Cleaning the roller can help resolve and prevent these issues. Some materials are required to clean the roller: a lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, and distilled or bottled water. Alcohol and other chemical cleaners can damage the rollers. Power off the printer and then disconnect any cables from the back. You must power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. On the rear access door, squeeze the two tabs and then lower the door. Dampen a cotton swab with water, removing any excess with a lint-free cloth. Locate the gray paper pick roller inside the middle rear of the printer. Remove any buildup or debris on the gray part of the roller by swiping the dampened swab from side to side. As you finish cleaning a section, rotate the roller to clean its entire surface. Allow the roller to dry for 10 minutes. Lift the rear access door until it snaps back into position. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and then reconnect any other previously connected cables. Power on the printer. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can help resolve printer errors. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord. Unplug the other end of the power cord from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer. The printer powers on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.